That's actually what kind of spurred this on, was the idea of the ice roads up in Alaska. We had funding to see if we could actually profile the thickness of the ice. And so, because we have the Keweenaw Research Center here, it was a really great idea to try it out here locally before we flew everything up to Alaska to do it up there. So we scheduled some time at the Keweenaw Research Center. We built this really neat radar rig off the back of an SUV using a Yakima bike rack. And all the radar, we just drove it along the ice road up the KRC, and there's a blow-up of this photo right here, and this red response is actually the thickness of the ice. So what we're all of a sudden demonstrating is that the concept that in near real time you could have this radar rig ideally in front of your truck so you actually know where the ice is, and you can actually see the thickness of the ice as it waves around. And we took this rig out to Chassel Bay, and we actually walked it out from the boat launch out to a good transect of it. And we were actually able to see how the ice would fluctuate, and we were able to see air pockets. And the air pockets is what was really important, because those are the things that are most likely to fail if you get a nice heavy loaded truck tire and all of a sudden you're just going to shear an axle or something. So this was a pretty cool, it's like ice roads. Like let's see what we can do with it. Let's see if we can image it, and it turns out we can, to a pretty good resolution, and that's just because of the radar equipment we have in-house.
Oh.